What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Fishpool from Fortnite. Now we're going to begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We'll start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Now you want to leave a large gap in between and draw the same size circle on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top. So right about here, come all the way around towards the bottom, towards the same height, and then bend that back up towards the top. Let's add a fold underneath the eye. So from the bottom left, curve this down and then in. Do the same thing on the right. Now I want to add a fold across the top. So just lining this up, going up and then in. Now I want to layer the top of the head in behind that fold. So on the left side, we're going to curve the head, going up, go across, and then back down on the right side. Let's go to the bottom, draw the bottom of the head, but we're going to leave a gap in the center. So we'll start on the left, come down, and then in to right about there, and then go to the right. Let's go all the way up to the top of the head and add that fold. We're going to shift it over towards the right. So from the center, move over towards the left, bend this around and up, come down, go up, and then down towards the side. I want to bend this down and in, back on top of the head, and then in the center we're going to add a fold. Now we're going to draw that trim around the eyes. Let's start on top of that fold, bend this up and then in, and line it up on the right, come in around the eye and then down. I want to bend this out and then down toward the bottom of the head. Now just underneath the head, we're going to add another fold. On the left, curve this down and then up. Let's move out to the side. We're going to draw the side of the body, curve this out and then down toward the hip on the left and right side. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve. Let's add a trim along the side. From the top left, step in, then it's out and then down. Now let's add that small detail in the center of the body. From the left, come in, down, and then out. And then on the end, draw a straight line. Let's go back to the center of the body and draw a circle for the belt buckle. And we'll add that detail inside. We'll draw two lines with a gap along the top and bottom. Trace a circle along the inside. Let's add the eyes. Start with two straight angled lines. Curve the bottom of the eyes. And fill those inside areas in black, going around the eyes. Now we're going to leave a gap along the side of the belt buckle. Draw a straight line coming down. So we're going to add a pouch on either side. Go straight out. And go back up towards the waist. Let's add a curved pocket across the top of each pouch. And add a small circle for the button. From the bottom of the buckle, we're going to come all the way down towards the bottom and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. We're going to start on the left, bend this out, come around and then in. Let's close off the bottom of the pant with a curve. Let's go back up to the top and draw the bottom edge of the belt. Starting on the left, we're going to go in behind the pouch, in behind the buckle, and over towards the right. Let's move down towards the bottom and add a trim with that same curve. Now going back down, we're just going to round out the heel, coming around and up. Just going to bend this back down towards the ball of the foot and pull that back up towards the toes. Now from the toe, just going to taper the foot so it gets wider as you come in towards the ankle. Bend this up and then out underneath the pant. Let's add that trim across the side of the leg, starting underneath the pouch. Put this around and down. Angle this down and then in toward that bottom trim. Then from the outside, draw another straight angled line coming down. Let's add a side pouch from the hip going out, down, and then in. Let's add another pouch across the side of the leg. I'm going to add a few staples across the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a small rectangle. Step down and draw another one. Let's add a couple over on the right. Now this bottom one, we're just going to angle this up. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway down the side of the body, then the arm going around and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, we're going to curve the thumb coming in and then down. Taper that back up towards the hand. Let's add in that first finger, coming all the way around and then down. Taper that back up towards the top. Now I want to layer 2 more fingers in behind. Starting from the bottom, we're going to step up, curve around, and then up. Let's add 1 more finger. I'm just going to blend this up and then in towards the arm, going up underneath the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now from the thumb, we're going to step up and curve the glove. We're going to go up and then out. Let's separate the wrist from the thumb, going up and out. Step up and draw that 1 more time. Let's add that patch across the shoulders. Start with a straight line coming down and in. Curve this up and then in towards the side of the body. I'm going to add 1 more trim across the top of the arm. And then I want to separate the thumb with a curve. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Fishpool from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. What's up everyone and welcome to our club memberships. Are you ready to take your art skills to the next level? Well, I've got something special just for you. Introducing our channel membership, starting at only $1 per month. For less than the price of a cup of coffee, you'll get exclusive access to a world of bonus features and perks that will enhance your journey with me. As a member, you'll be treated to brand new weekly tutorials that are available only to our valued members. Want to learn the latest techniques and dive deeper into the topics I cover? This is your chance. You'll also gain access to our member-only community feed where you can connect with fellow members, share your progress, and participate in exclusive polls. Your voice matters, and I want to hear from you. And let's talk about the perks. You'll receive a set of custom chat emojis to use during our live streams and premieres, adding a personal touch to your interactions with me. Plus, you'll proudly showcase your support with special member badges that highlight your dedication. As a member, you'll get access to future perks I roll out. I'm constantly working behind the scenes to bring you even more exclusive content, surprises, and experiences. So join our channel membership today and become a part of our exclusive community. For just $1 per month, you'll unlock a world of premium content, engagement, and fun. Click that join button now and let's embark on this exciting journey together.